Hi guys, hope you all are doing great today. So we have been cooking together every day, but in today's session I'll be talking more about how to improve your immunity, the ways to improve your immunity, and I'll be showing you a drink which really gives a boost to your immune system and makes you much more resistant to any exposure to this virus. Other ways of improving your immune system is number one, get enough sleep, at least 6 hours daily. Number two, do a 45 minutes of workout, which is very essential. Number three is consuming more and more micronutrients. Micronutrients are obtained from plant-based diets, and avoid all the processed foods, extra sugars, biscuits, cookies, chips. The idea is to take more and more nutrition and add more of ginger, more of garlic, and more of turmeric in your diet, which is an antiviral and really helps you. And a 45 minutes workout daily, which is extremely essential. Then it is also important to take flavonoids in your diet. What are flavonoids? Well, it's a plant-based chemical. The most common source of flavonoid is green tea. But today I'll be telling you about a herbal tea, which I'll show you here just now, which should be a part of your daily routine. And for this tea, we need the following. That's sauf, which is also known as fennel. We have the black pepper or kali mirch. Then we have badi ilaichi, the big cardamom. Then we have choti ilaichi, which is the green cardamom. Long, which is cloves. We have the cinnamon, which is dalchini. Then we have kachi haldi, and we have ginger. And then last but not the least, which is extremely essential, we have tulsi leaves. So let's start with it now. All we need to do first is to crush our masalas. I take a piece of badi ilaichi, also known as the black cardamom, 3 to 4 pieces of choti ilaichi or the green cardamom, a few pieces of black pepper or the kali mirch, four to five pieces of long or cloves. Then we take half an inch of cinnamon stick and some sauf. Let's just crush it now. The idea is to extract the maximum flavor and the maximum value out of these spices. Just a pound is good enough. Yes, I think that should be okay. Let's put water in the pan. The water is at room temperature right now. I take around a liter of water. I'll add all my spices. Let's turn on the flame. Cover it, and by the time it boils, let's quickly do with our ginger and the turmeric. So we take an inch of ginger and an inch of turmeric. We put it together and crush it as well. Again, as I said, these are really important. These are antivirals and very helpful. In goes the ginger, in goes the turmeric. Last but not the least, we have our tulsi leaves. Here, a few leaves of tulsi. Let's cover it. We'll give a couple of boils. We'll strain it, and then it's ready to have. And in case you fall short of any of these masalas, that's perfectly okay. You can go ahead with whatever is available with you. So if you see here, the spices have been boiling. We turn it off. It has got a couple of boils, and so the idea is to cook it for 10 to 15 minutes. So that's how it looks. Now I'll just pour it in my kettle. Let the spices and your ginger and your kachi haldi sit in it. You can have it with honey, you can have it with dashes of lemon juice as well. Let's take the honey in these glasses, a teaspoon of honey, and now let's pour over our tea. Here it is. So guys, the tea is ready. You must make it a part of your daily lives, which is very important these days. Stay healthy and stay fit, and do share this video with your friends and family as much as possible. Let's all fight Corona together. Thank you so much for watching.